Welcome back to the Practice Center. Today we will practice reading labels. I am going to show you a label with cooking instructions and ask you to answer some questions. What is the total recommended cooking time for the French fries? "24 to 28 minutes. What is the recommended oven temperature for cooking? "390 degrees. How will you know when the pie is done? When the puff pastry is golden brown. How many watts does the microwave need to be to properly cook the pot pie? "1,100 watts. How long does the pot pie need to sit in the microwave after cooking before you should eat it? "3 minutes. What is the total recommended cooking time? Cook for 7 minutes, stir and cook an additional 5 to 6 minutes, making the total cooking time 24 to 28 minutes. What should be done to the sandwich before placing it in the microwave to cook? There are 3 steps. Step 1. Unwrap the sandwich. Step 2. Insert into the crisping sleeve. Step 3. Place on a paper plate. What is the total recommended cooking time for the soup? "2 to 4 minutes. Should water be added to the soup before cooking? No. What do you add to the macaroni when it is done cooking? Add 3 things. 1. Margarine or butter. 2. Milk and 3. Cheese sauce mix. What should you do to the noodles before cooking? Break the block of noodles into 3 or 4 pieces. What is the recommended amount of coffee grounds to make a cup of coffee? "1 to 2 teaspoons. Great job! Make sure you've scheduled your next session with your therapist so you can keep working towards your goals.